Say goodbye to boring setup and hello to G75 Blackpink keyboard. So i-unbox na nga natin itong mga keyboard warriors. Meron nga itong cover, manual, color, switch, cable, at syempre ang keyboard. At thanks nga to the gasket structure nito dahil typing feels smoother and quieter and more comfortable dahil ito nga ay creamy keyboard. At ito nga ay tri-mode. Dangle, second style level, at swappable parang ako. Char! At pwede mo nga i-customize ang RGB lighting nito dahil meron siyang 16 backlighting modes. Plus, meron nga itong 8,000 mAh battery. That's mean you can keep going and going without needing to recharge anytime soon. O diba? Napaka-astig! So what are you waiting for? Get the G75 Limited Blackpink keyboard and level up your setup. Blackpink is now in your area. At kung gusto mo nga rin ito, ay ilalagay ko na lang ang link sa basket and lam.